keyword tracker with boost. You can only have with Helium 10. The base form of keyword tracker is the same as pretty much any keyword tracker out there. We're going to check once a day, at least once a day. All right. This is not useless information. You kind of just want to see, hey, day by day, what's my rank? Most keywords, most products, they're not going to fluctuate too much day by day, especially the higher search volume ones. But sometimes, like I said, there's something called a search shuffle, where based on where somebody is searching, keyword ranks might be different. Based on what browser somebody is using, keyword ranks might be different. Based on just whatever Amazon is doing, it can literally have somebody searching right here in my address and somebody across the street, same zip code, same street, they can show a different rank. Well, if the rank is just fluctuating a little bit, like here in one situation, it's page 1, position 5, another one, page 1, position 7, is that a big deal? No. But it is a big deal when, like here, it's page 1, position 5, but then somebody across town is page 3, position 150. That's a big difference. If you're only looking at one browsing scenario per day, even if it's rotating, which Helium 10 does, you might not be getting the whole picture, especially when you're launching. You really want a good picture of what's going on across the country. Also, especially when you are trying to run your sponsored ads, you want to know, hey, is my bid high enough? Don't just rely on Amazon. Look at where you're showing up in the search results. And so Helium 10 is the only tool where you can actually see ranks hourly, 24 times a day. The way to do that is by turning on boost. So if I wanted to see where am I ranking 24 times a day for this keyword, Halloween decor, I just click on this rocket ship. Anybody has access to this platinum, diamond, etc. And now 24 times a day in rotating browsing scenarios, different browsers, different addresses, etc., it's going to go ahead and check so that you can really see not just like, hey, what happens when I up my bid in sponsored ads, but hey, is your rank kind of consistent across the board or is it fluctuating a lot? Helium 10 is the only tool that has ever had this, and we have had this for almost 8 years now. It's been like this. So guys, keyword tracking is so important. We all know that. Make sure that you are using boost on your most important keywords so that you know if your keyword rank is fluctuating or what kind of sponsored position you are getting at the hourly level.